Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix CitizenFX.ini file is not found in FiveM application data folder. So if we go on search and then write run, or you just need to press Windows and I key, and then you just need to write %local app data %. Then on this window you need to look for FiveM, and then application data. You can see that there is no CitizenFX.ini file. So what you need to do here, it's quite simple. You just need to right click on your FiveM application data on the blank space. Then you need to press new, then go to text document, and then you just need to write CitizenFX FX here. And then you just need to write here INI, right? Then press yes and open this window here. And then all you need to do here is to write this line here, brackets and then game, and then for path equals, and then you need to put the GTA5.exe folder. And to do so, you just need to open up your game client. In my case is GTA5. And then depending on what you have, if you have enhanced, you need to go to properties, installed files, browse, and then you just need to make sure to press view, and then here make sure to select a file name extensions, and then you just need to look for GTA5 enhanced exe, and then just copy the path where GTA5 enhanced exe is. If you play normal GTA5, you just need to go to GTA5 legacy or other name, and then here you just need to look for GTA5 exe, and then copy the path of that particular file. And then you just need to go back to text document and then paste that file here, and then you just need to save. And yeah, that's basically it what you need to do here. File will be in as you can see here, FiveM application. So yeah, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.